Hello guys, good evening to you. I will make salad because Ate loves salad too much. And me too, I love salad too. And then the white onions, I will put the white onion guys. Nangangakuan na, nangahog na. The white onion is here. Yummy, 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 and it's yummy. This is the healthy food, guys. Pipino, and then the what call is that, guys? That is done. This is for the cucumber, for the juice cucumber. And what is ito? Long. Oh, adobo. And sabaw na. Thank you for watching, guys. Sayonara.